What's up guys? So I've been getting some requests for a messy man bun tutorial. I just showed you the quick version, but keep watching if you want a closer look and step-by-step breakdown. And by the way guys, you need to do this pretty swiftly for it to look good, so bear with me. So you start by gathering all your hair, then take your hair tie and pull it over your ponytail, but only go about halfway. Do a quick little twist and grab all that excess hair. Pull the hair tie over and do another twist. Again, grab all that excess hair and pull it through. Give the bun a little twist to your liking, and then you're done. With a little bit of practice, you can do this in about 10 to 20 seconds. Tag me in your messy man buns on Instagram at Trav_white_. Let me know if you want any other breakdown tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next video.